Give us some background about the business and about what you were trying to achieve with digital transformation there.
Yes, so as a Beacon Mobility as a company, we started about 6 years ago, but the company is when the acquisition play. So we acquired the company, which are like, a little smaller in size, but those companies have been in business for like 50 years, 80 years, it's a long time business. And school bus industry, mostly, transporting yellow bus, like, transporting students to the school. All those companies were mostly, like not that tech savvy. Most of the business was run on paper. So we started putting, more softwares like ERP systems and all those stuff. And when the AI and the RPA like came into play, concept how we can use AI and RPA, to continue the journey and make it, best in class So our goal is to be the best high-needs transportation company.
Was it not a challenge, like getting all these documents and really scanning them, digitalizing them, extracting their data?
And the company has 1,000 drivers, and they were always doing it on paper. Like each driver would have like literally hundreds of pages. So if we think about taking all those documents, manually have somebody short it and upload it to, like we have a ERP as a Workday, it would be, impossible to do. So that's why we're looking to see how we can automate it. And that's where, we found a partner, MiracleSoft, and then we used the UiPath technology.
It was a great experience using document understanding to extract that data. How has your experience been with all this after it was all extracted and put in a system of record like Workday?
It's much easier for our safety supervisor. First of all, like our safety people can go to the night and thinking that they are all compliant. I mean, we are compliant, but it's to prove it also, right? It's much easier to maintain moving forward. So our safety supervisor can focus on the, making a safer, like having driver become more safer. So it takes time away from the admin stuff and puts more on the, driver coaching. And now it's easier for us to maintain. Like that responsibility gets easier. There's a big value, like, we said about 10,000 hours. So it's almost 5 headcount that we saved from our, and again, we didn't let that go, but it's part of a reuse them on the other side. For our drivers to be compliant, we need to do their physical every year. And those employees now had to, like our safety supervisor had to call them, schedule appointment. But now it's like with the bot, they get a notification that doctor is coming on site at this time. Pick a time that works for you. They respond to the text. It books the appointment for them. And when it comes to time, it sends them a reminder message. And then once they have it, they can take a picture or send it to the compliance team, and it automatically goes to Workday. So it's much simpler process.
Is there any use case that you're looking forward to using Gen AI?
We can make like an AI bot, like interface, where they can upload a document and right away goes to Workday, so they know that it's done. And if it needs any information that is missing on the document, it can ask them right away, and it becomes much more interactive.
Do you have any other ideas that you're working on?
So there's a lot of use cases I was thinking, as we're going through on the fleet side, on the safety side, on HR side, on the finance side, we're already looking into invoice automation.
With agentic AI, it looks like sky is no longer the limit.